Womogusie.
Mwanchumuriria ondizi TV yaragire chinsa isano na ibere chiabon mugaso chitariki emerongo ebere na isano nemo umutienyi okane umwaka buchiri bubere nemerongo ebere na inye ninde no kwigenanga andonsi sototengerete ni gokwabere gotwara umugaso omuyaletere nenkoro kwa Job Maangi notoko batoko bwaterana nere linde kone kichibiche chiboigo na mariogi abera goikera asenchera yoboikera nunsara momanyi yokone kenkonyorore amangana wetera asenchera yomunwa weimanyererio Lydia Musenko nande asika ketari getambe mbengu komanyana alia yabere watika korwake techinsa chamambi goikera bono mugaso. Onjumulilia Undizi TV na bakwenda utubwati wetera asenchera yomtandao oito Facebook Undizi TV News Digital asensemo area YouTube Undizi TV News wetera somtando ito www.undizitv.net amajani gotuko yachaka kurua ase county ya Nyamira asebono omo Nyakerogo busolio kwa ogochikoligia Kerogo kelia kyobo Nyakerogo bobana boda boda ime county ya Nyamira Dominic Babu abeire gago saba abatumeki bechi para koba maiso anemono abana boda boda chinga kichiria bagotambuka chipara anemono chiri chiabeire chikonyora amache amange agoterema ase para linde wechanga neme basokana abere korokana ase chinsemo boiga kerembure nyinge genda chugutuwa ase chinsemo nigo aberga gosaba gochia ase serikali kwene kinga nkoirera balege tambokeryo onde bwensi wagachete enyomba ase tabwenereti linde gotanga emebasokano buna umubasokana olio bagokoba asensemo elia yagesima ikotoka ime yebunge ya Tuzuma Saba county ya Nyamira
nari korwe piece of advice tuwagara nyasaye mbuya mona asembura kera nyasaye nero korwe mbura ya tule the entire county ribuya kerasi munabona ari advice ya ando eto bechipara babe careful ando eto boda boda babe careful because we need them tubaga nitwe jimotua naboko nyora muretu eto daraja jijire munabone daraja nere ya ichure yabona ali masaba note ali gachuba yagucha kero mwaro le daraja jijire dia utwara raka ne chibesa nabora akotige chibesa mbuyo tiga macha ali ake nalio oweta bone goma te bone ani tokura de chipane chime there is no way county go somo jumbara ros chipara bone gane mbure nariko basabana maro kwaro le para nembe on there is a para ende gera abe there is another alternative para ende akabero raete eto diego yo na ne customer go chali mogu jabere chinyinge jile delegate nande enenere gesma wensemo ne enenere agajire keroka arenjere kwendo westerns on the way go tinumbo go jari kenye konas nalo sabawa engineers banda baligere leave those houses baji demolish jijigo cause more dangerous mune yagesima ya kane tukare na ne jawete ka umisa abantu we need to see abantu baito meto bogimobuya ini omoti enyosita je naliko basaba ekura yeino abachairman bali bacho wakachikura nabana boda boda bali bakorundi chipigipigi kimwegerera abachairman baino ndangate manifesto yane nengia na etiro all over na nanya launch ningenda gutara every stage na abana boda boda bali baito bakorundi chipigipigi na mogote yabo na mo advice yaba chairman mongo nyako ligichukura mote yabantu ba chairman ndutwara ro mondo rarete change mondo wada magania boda
utigarite ime e county ya Nyamira ni gwa bakenya babiri bagusabwa gusimika emete aso bonge anemono ekero embure nyinge gendete gutua anene mono emete buna elia yege corona boigo elia ya matunda buna avocado elinde kolenda ebinto bitonjokana ine kagukwana chinga kya alega kora omoroberio olia bugosegeta abamenyi igore chinchira ao barabe bakolenda ebinto bitonjokana ine ni go waziri utenenerete ebinto bitonjokana ine county Nyamira John Matiang'i abeire boigo gagusaba abamenyi be county Nyamira gutio simeka emete elia yemeringamu angene chindoche engana yaberege kwirera chinse mo chinyinge chire ase etente na boigo chindoche gukamuka engana erachikwirira amagima yabamenyi abukoba asakongu aso kuborwa kwebinto bose kwa mache bose ogotaba obuya kwebinto bitonjokana ine ase boigo abeire gagusaba ukubwaterana egati ye serikali enene na boigo serikali eliye county na boigo abamenyi be county Nyamira linde kwene kinga nkolenda tole ebinto bitonjokana ine.
Na kuna chemichemi ambazo tunataka kuhifadhi pia kimazingira. Tutapanda miti pale Ankora, tutapanda miti pale Riomego, Nyabisimba na Kera.
Tujaribu kupanda miti tofauti na hii eucalyptus. Naona kila mtu tu anataka eucalyptus, lakini tunaweza increase our fruit coverage. Nafikiri itasaidia sana to increase pia our indigenous trees, kwa sababu tuko na mito hapa Kisii ambayo kama tutaendelea tu na kupanda eucalyptus hii mito itafanya nini? Itakauka.
In the next 1 year probably we will increase the coverage of trees probably by 3 million within the county. We have that program and we are implementing.
Buskabusoni go omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto agandate gwakera Kenya buna ense minge yokobeka enibo na boigo chakia obonjelia chingaki abagakora egikaro kyabagakoreta amo ababwatani ao anemono kurwa as sector elia yobonjera ni go omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto boigo abatebanga Kenya nibwate obusiboli bwa kisiasa na boigo libagalia bene ligi yari gukora obonjelia boigo nabagakora kia agosemerya buna uchumi ya Kenya nichikogendera gukina gwetera asemero beri babere bakobeka ensemo gwetania emenge elia babere bakobeka enseme kolengana nokugania kwabona boigo echira chiri babete bakobiriera aba Kenya chingaki chiria chiobochori.
World Bank on Sunday. The biggest challenge is twofold.
Financing?
Yes. The biggest challenge is financing. Because you have opportunity. How do you transit opportunity to investment? So you need both resources from the public, but also you need to mobilize private sector resources. We are a democratic country. The president seated here doesn't have absolute power. You don't have to be my friend to do business in Kenya. You just have to follow the rules. We have working systems. We have a working judiciary. We believe in the rule of law. We protect people's business. And that is important for any business person to know, that nobody will wake up one morning arbitrarily and do stuff that they don't like. So we protect people's investments. Renewable energy is a very big asset. Many of companies who have ECG programs, they would want to decarbonize their enterprises. You have an opportunity to decarbonize some of your investments in other parts of the world by investing in Kenya. We have made it easier for you to travel to Kenya. Today, you don't need a visa to come to Kenya. Just need to fill a small form. It takes about 7 minutes.
Sionigo omubunge obumula wa mboka wa nami abera kubeka bosio bwe bunge enene ya Kenya omuswada oligetiko mwaka isiko omwaziri w'uburimi Mithika Linturi ase akomomochia asogotaikerania obokoleri bwaye buna enchira ebwenderete asabagotebanga nigo goikira bono iga abega gusangirira kisei gwetania emia ya mochia babunge kale nekirenga gyoko mwaka isiko asengencho yogotaikerania obokoleri bwaye boigo ningana ababunge bande babakwa okoboko seboigo borokia gotaisanika nenchira abeire gakomulekera engana iyo kwenanwa kuoboyo bolia botancheiri.
In grave allegations of gross misconduct, violation of constitutional provisions, and serious breaches of public trust. The evidence presented before the Assembly paints a distressing picture of negligence, mismanagement, and potential criminal activities within the Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock Development under Honorable Linturi's leadership.
Rais ako na maono hata hiyo kupatiana fertilizer ili watu waweze kukuza chakula na kuondoa njaa Kenya. Lakini kama wafisadi wataingia katika sekta hiyo na kutuletea fertilizer gushi, hatujui kesho nyingine watafanya nini.
Boska bose wikasingana erengete obochenu nigo abanyagitari inse yekiombe ya KMPD babere bakorali ngamba chikogendera no mugiro obo oyobere kogendera ase amatuko gwetania emerongo ene asikili bagoteba neserekali gotaikirania ebirenga byabo nigo babakorali nga ewiki egocha mbabe bakogendera ne mugiro obo naboigo kogendera no korobekana ase chinse mo au bali nekirenganga eserekali nichigotegerera ebiriro byabo ensemo yaye omwaziri otenenerete obochenu Susan Kuminja ni gabagagotebanga nerwete kwenekinga babiri bakumulekera egati yamaganyo yabanyagichali kolende kubasabanga bayirane ase emeremo chingaki bagenderete kumulekera ebiriro byabo.
To our 19 demands in full, in total, because we do not trust their words.
We are saying that we had negotiated 7 years ago, and therefore we should not be used as guinea pigs for wage bill.
If not so, then we want to offer free services to Kenyans because we are not paid, because we cannot be generating revenue for this country, and we are not paid, we are not remunerated.
It has been saying propaganda that they offered us 18 out of the 19 issues, but I must say that they have not.
We have been talking, we have had very good progress, 18 out of 19 issues resolved, 6.1 billion shillings given to doctors. Please come back to work. Let's discuss that one small thing. The Bible says, whoever does not work,
Boska bose tutigarite ansingana erengete mbure nyinge na boigo etoigo imense ichwa Kenya nigo chiskuru chinyinge chisinyire asira chikobeka aborokiwa ababo eyemaega yabamenyi abange anemono kurwase chinse mo chiri cyabere chikonyora ogwakwa ne toigo kurigia obomenyo ange ne chiskuru echo bose imechi skuru echo asengencho nigo chinsemo bamenyete cyabere chigo ichurwa na mache na boigo kwene kinga nse mechonchi koba chikomenyeka aseboigo ogosaba kwaberwo ko ruwe gochia ase abakenya kobwaterana ne serikali na boigo ebyombe biri bya serikali bigenda tegosira abakenya babiri bakonyora emibasokano na boigo gwakwa ne toigo linde kwene kinga ngotichora bale emetaro na boigo kobwaterana ase ogosira bali babere bakonyora ogwakwa ne toigo imechinsemo au ime ye county ya Nyamira county ya Kisii na boigo chinsemo au ime ense ya ito ya Kenya.
Na wenye wako kwa evacuation center, ningeomba mwalimu awawache hapo, wakae hapo kwa sababu hawana mahali pa kuenda.
The preparation we have is right now we have the Kenya Red Cross who are now doing registration to provide tents for those people who are displaced.
People are residing in the classrooms. Our classrooms are around 20 to 30 people. But next week we shall use the rooms for
mafuriko, lakini kwa sasa hii mafuriko imezidi juu ni mvua kama 3 na ishafika kikomo, hata hatuwezi tukaielewa sana. Tumepoteza vitu mingi.
Mimi nataka kuwaomba kama wakaazi wa Kirinyaga mambo mawili. Ya kwanza, tusiblock njia ya maji, kwa sababu kublock njia ya maji, tuseme tujenge karibu sana na mahali pale tunaita riparian, ndio
mwanjumuriria Ondizi TV orobo tiururengete embure nyinge na boigo etoigo no tujuikira omwerio wa mangana maya chinza isano na ibere cyabono mugaso leterane nkoro kwa Job Maangi ne utabe tukubwatana nere rinde kwene kichibi chechi boigo na maliogi abera wikira asenchera iyo boikira nunsara mumanyi oyone kingankonyorore amanganaya wetera asenchera iyo munwa wemanyererio Lydia Muse wikira chinga kichinde na abaganeirie oburigereria obya Imyandizi TV nabwo obwansu bumuguse.